of my favorite little things to eat for lunch. So my favorite stuff to eat for lunch is just yogurt with granola. I'm actually craving a banana, but I'll probably have this an orange. And I also add in honey. I can eat this every single day. I'm kind of like in the mood for just something light today. Add a little bit more. This is the, I think it's called Shirley Elizabeth granola, and I have the chocolate chip one. It's like legit my favorite. I need something else because I know I'll probably be hungry in an hour. So let's cut up an orange. Okay, this is the last one. I was gonna eat pasta for lunch, but didn't want anything heavy, so I'm gonna put this. So my friend literally dropped off this espresso machine. It's called Imusa. It's spelled IMUSA. She asked me if I wanted it. I just said yes, even though I don't need another one. But I'm probably just gonna give it away. Let's just put it all together. Okay, it doesn't smell too good, but let's still try it. Okay, let's measure 14 grams. Almost there.